What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Dr.cash to actually scale up your affiliate marketing business. And guys, this platform called Dr.cash is a cool affiliate marketing platform right here, or a CPA marketing platform where you actually do get a hold of NORA offers right here, which is actually worldwide. You can see right here guys that it's a CPA network where instant marketers and nutrition manufacturers make money together. And if you do scroll through guys, you can actually see more details about this platform. There are actually advertisers and affiliates on this platform, and guys, they basically focus on the NORA offers like I said earlier. And you can see that guys, there are actually about 2,421 offers in 242 countries right here with COD. And the COD actually stands for the cash on delivery offers. You could also see the trial offers and the straight sales flow offers right here. And guys, they actually operate with 55 beauty and health niches right here. And all of their offers are ranked by popularity and show fair figures of approval levels. And you can actually see that most offers right here guys, if you do scroll through, you'll be able to see more details about this platform. And an amazing thing about this platform is that they do have some cool and highly professional affiliate marketers right there that actually goes on to guiding you on how to promote your product right here. And guys, if you're a beginner, you can actually use this platform because they also have some highly professional landing page templates which you can take advantage of and actually start making money with this platform right here. So basically guys, to join this platform, just simply click on join us and you'll be brought to this page right here. All you actually have to do is to fill out this information right now. Fill out your email address, your password, your username. You want to select the messenger type which you want to use, either the Skype, Telegram or WhatsApp. You can just simply select one right now. And if you use WhatsApp right there, you just want to go into selecting the country to which you reside in right there and actually go into selecting that right now. So once you're done selecting, just simply go into clicking on sign up right here. And guys, as you can see right here guys, they actually went on to sending an email, a message right there to your email address. So you just want to go on to getting that email right there. You want to select the level of your affiliate marketing right here. You could either select the current level right here, either a beginner, a specialist, a super affiliate, an agency or other. I'm just going to go on to selecting maybe the beginner right here or the specialist right now. You want to select the revenue which you've actually made from affiliate marketing right here. I'm going to select this. You want to select maybe the base type, which is actually the type of offers which you're actually good at promoting. You can see the NORA and diet offers, the sweepstake offers, finance offers, betting offers, crypto, dating, adult and other offers right there. Select one that is suitable to you. Also go on to selecting your traffic source right here, which you actually do use, maybe the Facebook, Google ads, native ad, adult, push and SEO and other networks right there. So you could just simply select Facebook. You could actually go on to selecting your key geos of work, maybe the United States and top tier countries right there. You could select that, but make sure you do go on to filling out this section right here. Go on to your email address and get this particular code. So once you successfully sign up like I just did right now, you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this right here. As you can see, you'll be able to monitor your clicks right here and the amount of offers which you do get approved and your income right here via this particular section. You could actually go on to checking out offers right here. As you can see, these are actually some high performing offers right here, which is the offer rating. You can actually go on to checking top offers of the week and you'll be able to see that right here. You could go on to checking the top offers of the month right here and you could also see that, and you could also check out new offers that are actually available on this platform. You could actually edit this section right here based on your preference. Maybe if you do want the last 24 hours, you want it in 1 week, 1 month and a year, edit that based on your preference. You could go on to checking the amount of clicks which you've gotten and the finance which you've also gotten right here using this particular platform. As you can see right here, these are actually some news feed right here which you could check all the news feed. You could check about personal information or some call offers right here, or you could even go on to checking the pre-landings and also the landings right here via this particular section. You could also go on to checking out your account manager right here, which is this particular person right here. You could actually go on to maybe sending a message to this person and actually go on to chatting with this person right now. So this is basically your account manager right here. So once you're actually done that guys, If you are interested in checking out more offers, just simply come right here, click on offers, and if you do click on offers, you could be brought to this page right here, and you can actually see a lot of CPA marketing offers which you could go on to promoting right now. You could see the offers in terms of names, categories, model, price, approved rates, payout, rank, and action right here. And if you do want to go simply start coming from the back right here, you can see that you could filter offers based on CPL, which is actually the cost per click or cost per lead right here. So once somebody actually do click on that particular link, or you do get a successful lead, you do get paid some cool cash right there. You can see the trial and offset where you do get paid for getting some cool trials right there, or people to complete some cool trials and offset. You can see right now this is the SS, which stands for the straight sales offer right there. You could also see the trial offers and the COD offers, which actually are the cash on delivery offers right here. You could go on to filtering your offers based on countries right here, and you can see right here there are about 244 of 42 countries right here on this particular platform. You could also select offers based on category right now. You may just simply select the skincare offer or body care offer, and you'll be able to see a lot more other offers right here. You could see filter by offers, and you could just simply go on to searching via this section right here. So basically guys, you could see more details on this particular platform right now. Just simply take advantage of that right here. So if you do go onto this finance section guys, you can actually do check out your payouts, and you could just simply go on to adding paying method right now. And you could add in paying method maybe via the bank card, the Skrill, or any other format right there. You could also check out bonuses and commissions which people do earn right now on this platform. So there are many cool and amazing strategies which you could start earning money on this platform called Dr.cash right here. So take advantage of this platform right now and don't lose. So guys, you can just simply come right here and actually filter offers based on the CPL right here, and you'll be able to see a lot more other offers right now which you can actually go on to taking advantage of right now. And guys, the offers are quite numerous right here. Just simply go on to sort offers and start making use of them right now to make money online. And guys, if you want to just simply check more or know more about that particular offer, click on the image icon right there, and it's actually going to bring you to this particular page. All you actually have to do right now guys is just simply go on to checking out the top promo right here, which is actually this eye right here. And if you do go on to clicking on the eye, you'll be able to see the landing page to this particular platform which they do claim about. And right now guys, you could also go on to familiarizing yourself with the rules right here. You could familiarize with the rules and advertisers right here, and also the traffic sources right now. So just simply come right to this platform, click on materials, and you'll be able to see a lot more materials right here that can actually help you promote these offers better. So like I said guys, this platform actually goes on to helping you right here do your work right now, and it is quite simple and easy right there. So guys, like I said guys, you could see that these are actually a lot of offers which you can actually start promoting. If you want to get approved for this offer, click on send, and you then want to just simply send the traffic source, the expected year, and also the message right here. Just simply go on to filling out these details, the traffic source, expected volume of leads, and actually your message right now, and click on send, and your request will actually be sent right here on this particular platform right now. So basically this is how you can actually go on to making use of this platform, which is called the Dr. Cash or the DR Cash right here. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, simply smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all. So guys, see you all in my next video, and goodbye.